Hey, what's up guys? I'm really excited to have you here today. Welcome back to the channel, Hack here, bringing you another deep dive into the fascinating world of cybersecurity and digital investigation. If you're new, OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence. It's all about gathering publicly available information from the internet for investigation, research, or security testing. One powerful branch of OSINT is website cloning, which allows you to create a full copy of a website for analysis. Today, I'll walk you through 12 amazing tools that let you download, clone, and explore websites safely and efficiently, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Quick disclaimer, this video is strictly for educational purposes. Always use these tools responsibly, ethically, and within the boundaries of the law. Let's jump right in and check out our very first OSINT website cloning tool together. Let's kick things off with HTTrack, a legendary tool that's been trusted by cybersecurity professionals and hobbyists alike for years. It's one of the most well-known and reliable tools in the OSINT and ethical hacking community, often recommended for both learning and real-world investigations. HTTrack is a powerful open-source utility that allows you to download entire websites, including all their files, images, and code, directly to your local storage for offline access. You have full control over the process. You can configure how deep you want to go into a site, choose which file types to include or exclude, and even set bandwidth limits to avoid network congestion. HTTrack meticulously recreates the site's entire directory structure on your drive, making it incredibly easy to analyze or browse the website offline, just as if you were online. The interface is refreshingly straightforward, perfect for beginners who are just starting out, yet it offers enough advanced features to satisfy experienced users who need more control. HTTrack preserves most of the site's interactivity, so you can click through cloned pages, test navigation, and explore content offline without missing much of the original experience. It's available on Windows, Linux, and Android. And for those who prefer automation, it can also be run from the command line, making it ideal for scripting and batch operations. All in all, HTTrack is a must-have tool in any ethical hacker's arsenal, offering versatility, reliability, and ease of use for a wide range of web analysis tasks. Next up is Wget, a favorite among OSINT professionals and Linux enthusiasts. Wget is a command line utility designed for speed, flexibility, and scripting. With the right flags, you can recursively mirror entire websites and resume interrupted downloads. It supports FTP, HTTP, and HTTPS, and is available on almost every Unix-like system. Wget is perfect for automating website cloning tasks. Schedule it, combine it with scripts, or use it in investigations. You can set user agent strings, throttle speed, and honor robots.txt for stealth. Always get permission before cloning sites in bulk. Get's flexibility and power make it a core tool for any serious OSINT investigator. Let's move on to SiteSucker WebCopy, a powerful Windows-based tool designed for effortless website cloning, featuring a clean and user-friendly interface that makes the process accessible to everyone. WebCopy thoroughly scans a website's structure, automatically downloading all linked resources, such as images, style sheets, and scripts, so you can browse the entire site locally, even when you're offline. It's an ideal solution if you're not comfortable with the command line or complex technical setups, making website cloning approachable for beginners and non-technical users. Simply enter the website's URL, adjust your preferred options, and let WebCopy do the rest. It even manages cookies, sessions, and some forms of authentication for you. You can easily set up rules to include or exclude specific pages, directories, or file types, allowing for focused investigations or targeted downloads based on your needs. Its built-in site mapping feature visually displays the website's structure, helping you uncover hidden directories and better understand how the site is organized. After the cloning process, WebCopy provides a detailed summary report, listing all the files it copied and highlighting any issues or warnings it encountered along the way. Overall, WebCopy is a solid choice for anyone seeking quick, reliable, and hassle-free website cloning. No advanced technical skills required. If you're a Mac user, SiteSucker is your go-to tool for website cloning. SiteSucker downloads entire websites, including images, PDFs, and style sheets, directly to your computer. It's super straightforward. Enter the URL and hit start. The interface is clean and Mac-like, with options to pause, resume, or schedule downloads. You can filter downloads by file type or link depth. SiteSucker handles dynamic content well and converts links for seamless offline browsing. Perfect for research, penetration testing, or archiving sites for offline access. Fast, reliable, and user-friendly for Mac fans. Now let's talk about BlackWidow, a favorite among penetration testers and advanced OSINT practitioners. BlackWidow maps and clones websites, capturing everything from HTML pages to scripts and images. It analyzes site structure in detail, building a map of files, directories, and connections. This helps identify areas of interest or hidden resources. Advanced filters let you customize scan depth and file types. For penetration testers, you can focus on targets like admin pages without wasting time. Every action is logged for a full audit trail. BlackWidow's combination of cloning and mapping makes it a top choice for serious investigations. Teleport Pro is a classic tool for archiving large or complex websites and online resources. This Windows-based program handles massive downloads, including sites with thousands of pages and resources. Its project-based approach lets you easily manage multiple jobs with custom rules for each. Teleport Pro supports multi-threaded downloading for speed and efficiency, saving you valuable time. Set limits on bandwidth, depth, and file types to stay in control of your downloads. Once downloaded, browse the clone site offline or analyze its code and structure. Teleport Pro is a reliable, feature-rich option for large-scale website archiving projects. Let's get technical with Scrapy, a powerful Python framework for web scraping and cloning. Scrapy is for those comfortable with coding and automating complex data extraction. Build custom spiders to crawl, extract data, and download resources across multiple pages. Perfect for gathering targeted information like user profiles or product listings. Scrapy's modularity lets you process data, filter downloads, and export to databases. It handles cookies, sessions, and proxies for stealthy investigations. Scrapy can save all fetched pages and assets for offline analysis. If you want more than just cloning, think data mining or monitoring, Scrapy is a must-have. ArchiveBox is a powerful tool for long-term website preservation, your personal web archive. It can clone, snapshot, and save entire websites or individual pages for offline browsing. Feed it URLs manually, import bookmarks, or automate with RSS feeds. Supports multiple snapshot methods, HTML, PDF, screenshots, and WRC files. Track website changes over time, preserve evidence, or build an offline reference library. The interface makes browsing and searching archives easy. Open source and runs on Linux, macOS, and Docker. ArchiveBox ensures important web content is always available for analysis. Prefer working in your browser? WebHTTrack is the answer. It's a web-based version of HTTrack, offering all the cloning features without a desktop app. Enter the target URL, set options, and manage the cloning process right from your browser. Platform independent. Use it on Windows, Mac, or Linux. Great for teams, since you can access everything through a shared server or portal. Cloned sites are saved in a browsable format for offline analysis. WebHTTrack combines HTTrack's power with browser convenience. Let's switch to browser extensions with PageArchiver. Clone and save web pages directly from Chrome or Firefox, no downloads or command lines. Capture complete content, including text, images, and scripts, with one click. Tag, categorize, and add notes to build a personal library of web research. Great for preserving ephemeral content like deleted posts or live news updates. Export your archive for sharing or backup, and search saved pages easily. For fast, organized web page cloning, PageArchiver is a fantastic OSINT tool. Another awesome extension is SingleFile. Save an entire web page, including images and scripts, as a single HTML file. Just click the extension button, and it bundles everything for offline analysis. Perfect for archiving pages and preserving their look and function at a specific moment. Advanced options let you customize what gets saved and handle dynamic content. Automate saving multiple tabs at once for efficient evidence capture. Works on Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, cross-platform and convenient. If you want a lightweight, reliable way to save complete web pages, SingleFile is a must-have. Rounding out our list is SitePuller, a straightforward tool for downloading and cloning websites. Enter a URL, hit download, and SitePuller saves the entire website for offline access. The interface is minimal, perfect for beginners or quick jobs. It captures all linked resources, preserving the site's structure and content. Great for archiving sites quickly, analyzing layouts, or gathering evidence. Handles multiple downloads at once, and keeps the original directory structure. If you want a no-fuss solution for website cloning, SitePuller is a reliable choice. So, there you have it. 12 powerful tools that ethical hackers and OSINT professionals use to clone websites for research, security testing, and investigation.